Hi, this is Scoggett, and this is second part to my beef and wild rice stuffed bell peppers my way video. And what I went ahead and done is I went ahead and browned up the ground beef and also cooked the Uncle Ben's rice. And what I'm going to do is combine it. Then we're going to put the seasonings in and the tomato sauce, and I'm going to show you how all this comes together. So, here's the pot. Whoop. This has got the ground beef in it, what I've already browned up. This right here is my rice cooker. And I've already cooked the rice, and what I'm going to do is just take it and put it in the pot here. And we're going to mix it up. Now what I've done is I've made a double batch compared to the ingredients what I gave you for the single batch. And the reason why I did that is because that way I can have some the next day with just the rice and ground beef and seasonings. So we got a double portion here. I'm going to go ahead and turn the fire back up here. Let this come about. Whoop. Want to give a shout out to my wife, Mrs. Scoggett, for getting me this silicone spatula. It will go up to 500 degrees, and I tell you what, this works great on just about everything I do. I'm going to go ahead and put my seasonings in. And I've got quite a bit of parsley in there, which is just going to add a lot of flavor to it. Going to give that a mix. This stuffing is good. If you never had this, I'll tell you what. Fantastic. I'll kick that up a bit. Go ahead and add my tomato sauce. Like I say, I'm making a double batch. So I'm going to have 2 of these cans going in. And give that a mix. And this stuffing is really good, I guarantee. Now what I'm going to do is let me move this so you can see it. Going to take some canola oil, and I'm going to spray this pan. This is what we're going to be baking it in. And the reason why I'm spraying this pan is so it don't stick. And we're going to put the bell peppers in here. And what I've done is I've went ahead and cut the tops off of the bell peppers, cleaned the insides out, and we're going to put it in the pan to bake. And I'm also going to go ahead and spray the inside of this. I usually use olive oil, but I don't have any, so I'm going to use the canola oil. So I'm just going to kind of spray the insides of this, the peppers, and that's so that everything comes together. Just a little squirt. And it helps it bake, believe it or not. Just a little squirt. That's all you need. Whoop. Got one that don't want to stand. So we're going to fix that. If you ever get a bell pepper that doesn't want to stand, what you do is just take a paring knife and cut it just as close as you can, and it will stand. I mean, like, don't cut it in half or nothing, but make it so that it stands up. That's what I've done here. So that was a good thing. Give this a stir. I'm going to cut it off, because the stuffing is mixed well together. It smells great, and it doesn't need to cook anymore. I need to find my other spoon. What I'm going to do is go ahead and start stuffing these peppers. With the stuffing. This is really good. If I mean, this is about the best what I know of, and just really good stuffing to put in it. There's so many different ways to make this, but I love that Uncle Ben's, and I love the way it tastes, and it comes out just great. Well, now this one. That's because I greased the bottoms, or put that spray on it. I already know. This might be a problem. I'm going to fix it. If it's a problem, I'll fix it. I'm a fixer. Kind of like being on an ice skating rink here. I'll tell you what, I should have leveled all these out. Don't know why I didn't. Okay. Well, anyway, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my other can of tomato sauce. I'm going to open it up and spoon some on the top. What's funny is sometimes when you get to cooking, things don't come out like you planned. Like when I sprayed that canola oil on there, I didn't know it was going to slide around because it shouldn't slide around, but it does. So we're going to go ahead and spoon some of this on top of these. This tomato sauce. Then we're going to put some cheese on it. Like I said, I'm using mozzarella. Just going to drop some on there. Then I'm going to take these and I'm going to wrap them. I'm going to take the bell peppers, get the right angle here. Take the bell peppers, I'm going to wrap them and bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for around 30 minutes. Covered with tin foil. Then I'm going to take them out and uncover them and bake them for about another 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And these should be coming out just perfect. I mean, I've done this before several times, and each time I had great results. And this is Skagit. I have the finished product coming up. I'll show you how they come out. And appreciate all you viewers and subscribers. Give this a try. I mean, you can put whatever you like in them. If you want to use white rice, then go for it. I mean, it's whatever you like. This is just my way. I'm showing you like a basic deal of doing it. So, This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.